I'm Crystal of Crystal Souls and Stuff here on YouTube as well as on Instagram. Welcome back to the channel to all of my subscribers, and welcome to all of my new subscribers. Glad to have you here today. So today I wanted to share with you two cute tops that I made recently. And the first top that I made is called the Kairos top. And it's a really cute off-shoulder top with cutouts. Really cute. And this pattern is reversible. Well, it's optional to be reversible. And so I made it red in the back and yellow in the front, or I can switch it and have red in the front and yellow in the back. And this pattern is designed by Janine, and her name of her company is Enina-J by Janine, and I'll leave a link to her website down below. And she has a great Instagram account as well as a tutorial on how to make this lovely top. And it's a really easy pattern. There's only one pattern piece for the pattern, so super easy, quick make, and you can check out the tutorial to learn how to sew it. But very easy pattern, and I made this in like an hour or so, even including all the cutting and everything. And so I sewed a size large. It comes in sizes from extra small to extra large, and I made a size large. I could have gone with a medium, but I wanted it extra loose. So I love how this turned out. It has these cute little stitches right here to close it up. So there's 3 stitches, so one on each arm and then one at the neckline. And she has great tips on how to sew everything together. So I highly recommend this pattern. It's only $9 on her website, and she's a very new pattern company, and this is her first design that she released. And she also released the Zora top, and I'll leave a picture of that top right here. And she also has a tutorial as well on that top as well. It's really cute. So I highly suggest that you check out Enina-J by Janine here on YouTube and Instagram, and check out her patterns. So that is my first make. So the next thing I wanted to share with you is the Tinley top, and this top is by Crystal Cooper of the Sewing Addiction, and it's a really simple pattern, and it has only about 5 pattern pieces. It has the front, the back, the bands, and the front is cut twice for the front and the back on the fold, and then you have sleeves and then cuffs. So really simple pattern. Oh, and of course the bands, the top band and the bottom band. And it has 2 options. You can either do it as have a ruched look for the bottom band, or with gathered look for the bottom band, or you can have a flat look. So she has 2 options for that. And the original pattern comes as long sleeves. It's described as a crop sweater, but I shortened the sleeves so that I could wear it in the summertime. And that was easy, and the bottom band cuff still fit the sleeve when I shortened it, so I made it about 3/4 length. So super easy. Easy alteration. And I sewed the size. So the Tinley top comes in sizes 2 to 18, and that's for bust sizes of bust sizes of 32 to 42. So a good size range there. And also she also has several other great designs, about 15 other designs in her Etsy store. She has a few tops, dresses, a skirt, and I believe 2 pair of pants that you can choose from. So I highly suggest you check them out. And her patterns are about $8 a pattern. And she also has a couple of bundles, some summer bundles, as well as dress bundles that you can choose from, so that you can get more for your money with a discount to have both of the patterns in the bundle. So I highly suggest these 2 wonderful pattern companies owned by Black designers. So I highly suggest you check them out. So here are some quick pics of me wearing these cute fun tops. tuned for Saturday. I have a fun collaboration to share with you with some fellow sewists with a Love Notions pattern. I hope you all are doing well and taking care of yourselves. Take care.